Where are you going? To the city. Yeah, you come? You're just walking, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, bro. Have this.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
Alright?
So nice of you.
Ah, no worries.
You're heading for dinner or what?
Yeah, I just go see my Polish friend, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was on Pussy Hill for sunset.
Oh.
The hill, yeah, so I just go only a few minutes.
Yeah.
What's your plan? Nothing. Oh, okay, nice. Perfect.
So how's your day?
Very good, man. Very good, thanks. Yeah, we went to the waterfall. Oh, it was awesome. So productive. We did so much.
Oh.
Like they have bears there. You know bears?
Bears?
Bear, yeah, like the animal.
Oh.
Yeah, they have that. It was crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, it was good.
I should know.
Yeah, you should if you have time. Yeah.
But I got sunburned. I don't know how. So I'm ready.
Yes. Oh, you got sunburn.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long you wanna stay?
Oh, I leave tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Then I go to Van Vienne.
Oh, yeah.
So just for a couple of days and then here.
That's great.
Yeah. It's a good train, I think.
Yeah.
What about you? How long are you staying?
Not sure.
Not sure. Just until you have had enough.
Yeah, but he said 1 month.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he was just parked up here, so
Yeah, no one.
I just have a look. But yeah, maybe are you going for dinner or what?
Yeah, just I'm gonna find a restaurant and
Yeah, nice. Sounds good. Yeah, so nice. So warm. You think? Yeah, the rain clouds. Yeah. Last night was storm, right? Like storming. Yeah. Crazy. So he was parked here. Right? If his bike is still here, we go a bit further. He's still here. Yeah, he's still parked, so we can go a bit further. That's his bike, the grey one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah?
Of course.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. Maybe I'll turn around.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you get off?
Yes.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Oh, yeah, nice one. See you.
See you tonight.
Nice one.